Oh. These are going to be given a bit of Hey everyone, it's Fox from modelmaking.guru here. Hello, hello and welcome to a very, very quick and very special announcement. No, not that this isn't the announcement. I'm weak, I can't help myself. All the things, the size of a house. Oh. Now that is an announcement, it's just not the actual announcement I'm here for. It's a very good announcement, not good for my bank balance, but it's a very good announcement. The actual announcement I'm here for is that today I popped out to meet some new friends that I've made. I've made some very, very good friends over at Goblin Gaming. They're super local to me and we've been chatting over the last few weeks. I am proud to announce that from today, Model Making Guru is a Goblin Gaming affiliate channel. Oh, yes! Goblin Gaming stock everything the tabletop gaming mad person could need. They're specialists from Warhammer to Bolt Action, from Malifaux to Fallout Wasteland Warfare, which is good, I should get that. From Magic the Gathering to Pokemans to Ticket to Ride to you name it, they've got all the things. They also have a cool gaming table area, build and paint areas with spray booths, comfy sofas, and they'll soon be expanding to include a bigger gaming area and a dedicated streaming and video studio, which personally I am really looking forward to that. But what does this mean for this channel? Well, it means that Goblin Gaming are supporting my channel and enabling me to bring you lots of awesome tabletop related content in the coming weeks, months and years. I'm looking forward to a number of projects and ideas in the future that are going to be awesome and not just Warhammer. Keep that in mind. There'll be things for me, things I do for them, and other collaborations, loads of goodness. Now I'm still sponsored by my good friends at eModels, of course, and they are your go-to place for modelling supplies, the traditional stuff. But if you need to scratch a tabletop itch, which eModels don't cover, Goblin Games are your peeps. But what does it mean for you as the viewer, the follower of my channel? Well, aside from all the content that'll be to come, you'll have a new way to support my channel and save yourself money at the same time. Goblin Gaming offer 20% off RRP on pretty much everything, so if you want to save yourself some scratch and support my channel at the same time, you can use the affiliate link that I've put in the description below this video. It's permanent, it'll last forever. Save it to your bookmarks, and then anytime you need to buy some tabletop-y stuff, be it Warhammer or whatever you want to play, go and see if it's something they've got, and if it is, use that link. Anytime you place an order using that link, I'll earn a little bit of commission from that order and you'll be saving your own money and keeping this channel going at the same time. Honestly, you won't need to order from anywhere else. Anyway, like I said, I popped in today and I got the grand tour, and because I arrived it with a sumptuous bribe of the donuts, I came out with swag. Well, it was kind of off the cuff. They weren't prepared, so they weren't expecting donuts. So when I say swag, I mean they raided their special things we broke a little bit cupboard for any goodies, and here's what I snagged. We have first of all many Goblin Gaming stickers. You know when these are going to be given away. These are going to be given a bit. My words broke. My entire words just broke. Let's start that again. These will be given away on Warhammer Sundays. There you go. Now we also got, I got, when they raided the cupboard, I got myself the Astra Militarum Cadian Armoured Fist. These are going to go nicely into the unending forces of the Holy Contrivance. Of course, it's not complete. I did say it was the stuff that we broke and maybe can't sell now. So it's not the complete set. It's bits. It's lovely bits. Yes, I've got lots of Cadians there, which is fantastic. I don't mind, it's brilliant. It's lots of people to add to my troops. I've also got, I've forgotten what these are, but they are from a thing. So I've forgotten what these are. What are they? They're from, oh, really bad now. I'm supposed to pimp this and I've absolutely forgotten. They're from one of the boxed games, you know, where you get the entire game in one. A bit like Kill Team, but not Kill Team. I can't remember. Anyway, it's one of them things. It's a group of dudes, a few missing here and there, so they might be able to be glommed into my army as well. I'll put them over there. We also got in this delightful branded Goblin Gaming, yeah. They just kind of said, have all these things. I got a slightly broken can of Xandri Dust, which is basically full, but it's got a broken lid, so yes, awesome, thank you very much. I got some gnome wizards from Nolzur's Marvelous Miniatures. The reason I got these is they're slightly mismolded. Apparently they're a bit, details a bit flumpy. Doesn't matter, I can have fun painting. They're tiny. The size is, it's not much bigger than a rice. It's like the size of a very large rice. We've got these dudes here anyway. I don't know what we'll paint these up. They'll be awesome. I also have, what else did we get? Let me get the bag of, let's see what the good doctor has in his magic bag. We have, can't get them out now. We have some Ardcoat, yes, because you always need Ardcoat. I have some Armageddon Dust and some Grell and Earth texture paints, technical texture paints. Ardcoat, by the way, is the Games Workshop gloss varnish. They have a big, basically, tub of stuff they can't put on the shelf because it's got no label, so they let me dive into that. I also have a pack of Army Painter Battlefield's Field Grass, which is not field grass, it's snow. That's why they can't sell it. And the best bit, I have 2 pots of Contrast Ultramarines Blue. It's not, you may notice, ultramarine blue. It's actually Snakebite, whatever that contrast paint's called, Snakebite Brown, the one that's good for leather. They were mislabeled at the factory. So these are incredibly rare. I'm tempted not to actually use these just because they're probably like unique. There's probably no other ones in the universe. So I might have the only 2 jars of these, so you never know. So I've got a big pile of swag from those guys and I can't thank them enough. Let me get those other things back. Big box of bits from their Oops, It's Stuff We Broke shelf, which is just fantastic. We just sat there having a coffee and he's like, you know what, should we just give you some stuff from our We Broke It shelf? So yeah, awesome. I can't thank you enough, guys. I've got lots of little figures there I can add to my army. Lots of fun things. And of course, the Big Daddy. The Bane. Yes, I know. I was in there and I thought, right, I'm going to go now, but before I do, can I just give you some money? So yeah, I was in the warehouse. Yeah, and you know what? It's that 20% off. If you're looking for a Bane blade, 20% off. Oh. Yes, 20% is the reduction on, if not all of their stock, most of their stock, and all of the Games Workshop stuff. So if you're looking to pick up some bits and bobs for your tabletop addiction and you want to save yourself some money, give them a go, Goblin Gaming. Remember, the link is in the description below this video. Use my link, store it to your bookmarks, and every time you shop there you'll get massive discounts and you'll help me out because I make a little tiny bit of income from every order you place. It doesn't cost you any more, I just make a little bit of commission. So if you love this channel, if you like my work, if you want to help support this channel but maybe you don't want to become a patron or anything like that, you can just make sure when you do your shopping you go to Goblin Games and you use the link that's down here. Copy it and save it somewhere. It will help me out. It'll really help this channel out and keep the channel going. But that's going to do it. It's a quick announcement. So going forward, I'm still going to carry on as normal. You're not going to notice any difference other than there's just a lot more content now to come in the future that's going to be awesome, and it's not just Warhammer. So stay tuned for many good things. As always, of course, the Sazabi is still ongoing. We've got the Sazabi and the Perfect Grade Millennium Falcon to do first. They're the most important things right now. They're the priority. They'll get done first of all. Then going forward, who knows? We've got Warhammer Conquest. We've got my own army to build up. We're going to have all kinds of interesting things from the guys at Goblin Gaming. Let's find out. Let's see what the future holds. So anyway, that's going to do us. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Take care of yourselves. Remember to save the link in the video below. My affiliate link. Use that one. Help me out. And until next time, I will say thank you very much to Rich and Tom and the guys at Goblin Gaming. Hopefully I'll be back there soon. And Rich and Tom, just remember, every time I turn up, I will bring donuts. I'm following Dad. Dad does that. You won't know Dad, but Dad does that. I'm going to do that. Every time I turn up, I'll bring donuts. And if that doesn't get me swag every time I go, then I don't know what will. Yes. So anyway, it's enough from me. Thank you very much for watching. Do take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. You there. And until next time, I'll say use the link below and adios amoebas.